Yeah, I'm sure. Say we are the heart rate. There's anyone.
Now it's me more being brown.
Oh,
to make a Bobby footballers.
That's how Osaka to Bobby Brown.
And to so a weapon. Oh, bet me a Bobby and
and is a month for beating bot a bot way on the left, no about smartwatch on a Apple Watch on the right.
Right.
Aye. Watch me no
style.
That is so we were Jumay or the way monitor you might be checking the BP. What do you hear? When you scared to be a jay. Almost come to Tomoto.
Aha, Dalibon, Chairman America, Manchester. Check your lineup near the boy.
Oh, Yamu lineup.
And China may become balance reciprocity.
Boy, one any Manchester.
Obey Manchester, but check it quality. Manchester said, "No way, Annie, Diaba. Harry Maguire for the first time. Obe check it, Rashford.
Nazon Wopra. It is any other movie.
Yeah, movie. But Chairman check it, team Nankasa. Oh, the young go through a Manchester lineup on the check it quality and the what team in more the Bebotia Leicester. But when you know, a man for Refi say, when you say 2010, a dear Liverpool, the year Manchester United. A man for Refi and no check here. Menya show senka team beyond any Manchester bar. Ka Manchester be parade the squad Eddie Akobo. Chairman also ko EPL nima. Obianti minjen to asofo. And adia eye Liverpool at the year Manchester United na rehopa. 1996-1997 Manchester G League no. 1998 na Arsenal beje. 1999 2000-2001 na Manchester J treble wadia to aso 3 consecutively. 2002 ana Arsenal ebeje anhaye. 2007 2008 2009 ana Manchester saje to aso 3 which 2010 no na Manchester eye favorite o G League no senka jale de beto so ni yahwe da year no league table na but 2010 Chairman Adiesi yeni. Now can last but one game. Week 37. Now Chelsea Manchester etimi ewini two matches na waji league no. Chelsea a very difficult game. I will be Liverpool for free. Obi okada ye. Abra Chelsea equal Liverpool no. Chairman unim de see ye. Liverpool try o ma Chelsea be share ni 2. Ewo fie because last but one game. Say Liverpool eshe Chelsea pe Manchester Belgian League no. But Liverpool tena fie ema Manchester Chelsea rather ewuram ebe she no fie. And chairman me no nyina nim say EPL na yebo no. Say Manchester Belgian League, Chelsea Belgian League, Liverpool Belgian League obi amode woni fie. Ekoya Drogba 33rd minute of associate goal no. Obi anko penhwe bio. Ekoya eye Chelsea Liverpool 14 ho Emma Lampard ewura mu share second goal no. And that year me sure say jare ewo eye league table no or the better so na atiefo nyina awebi. Chairman league table no say na ye. Chelsea ewo 86 points. Man U ebenya 85 points. Meaning said that last but one game no.
That's almost like a Liverpool, you know what Chelsea can man you
even draw crank man you league no. But otenefie Emma Didier Tabiri Drogba Frank Lampard ewurem ebenya 2 goals obi adwen won wante ase
edu say no bi nesi
edu bi nesi no
dey tia me no nya adwen say bi nesi nse Manchester only di Man City echi
no check it position na Leicester and Liverpool da no ko check league table no currently EPL league table na yebo no check baby Leicester da na check baby a Liverpool da I don't know. Say chairman, why dream beba the American this year? Ni nyina but down to alliance, friends with benefit. I don't confirm one sem na American. Enra ekoya Levante any Barcelona fa so e ball 3-3 no. E chiro baby Levante o makoma wo the person o G League no.
That one is all about the board. Ko nya mo binjaro.
E ya yon confirm sem. Chairman, say come de me. Na me ba wo say chairman, ma me 5 cedi nkodi ru amata. Odo enti be yama me on dwene won sika aka wo botom se Levante e pese eye Barcelona G League na on hye ne da
That is not on the league.
It's football. Ewo football nim edu latter stage say ya e wona ayonkofa ebe mu bebre.
E just say Chelsea, Manchester City. Manchester United Emma for the weekend side.
Yeah.
Saturday Leicester be she. Now Leicester, is it Leicester they are on their way to qualifying to Europe. Third position.
Yeah.
Manchester next game no bebono China no bebono. Some boy in the streets of Liverpool no. And we arrest omo nyina some dey go boy against Liverpool.
Liverpool and but say Liverpool. I was or say Liverpool points no. Now Leicester team we got top phone him.
Leicester they say all top phone. That's all Liverpool.
Sanka no ko anshanka be dey.
I know go anshanka go 63 points.
Yeah.
Na Liverpool 2 games until Liverpool about draw cry against Manchester we get 58. No Sansha about 62. That's what that Leicester.
Sir, and the battle between Leicester and Liverpool no Manchester United for no clearly Oma Tromo support to.
Now the move so Chelsea and Chelsea the fourth almost 60.
Yeah, Chelsea ni asem. Through Englander. Obia asem obia kano anazo obia nim say Man U and Liverpool. Say ya 20 titles. Omo dey cheaper with 19 titles. And the rivalry no is between Manchester United and Liverpool. So oba Ghana ha e kotokone yaso. Chairman, menya sure say Mediama G League na ebe ha kotokofo pi say ha se beba abeje. Menya sure say Brekum Chelsea G League ebe ha se 4 pi say kotokobeje. Sanetie. And to say Liverpool be wuremu pa aba be top 4 there. Next year also mubo Europa. And it's balanced reciprocity. You do me, I do you. Friends with benefits, alliance in the league near can wasem no. Entina na no other chairman na make a cho say bun champem any asanteman koso na se kire say. Why na wo pese woko? Enti Manchester be parade weak side. E di akwa akobo etia Leicester, but against Liverpool no, I want Bruno Fernandes Borges mo ebe yi omuti. Marcus Rashford mo obi o ye fete wo so oginem ebo no. Eho enobe unity. But chairman yengwe mo La Liga kakra. Say a perfect 3-game finish. Na Atletico de Madrid are champion. Atletico de Madrid enei omo bomu ni Real Sociedad nebo. Me sure say Real Sociedad for no obi a watch Spanish La Liga this season no enim say omo nya bad the crowd away. 17 matches omo bonu away no omo win 7. Omo draw 5 and omo lose 5. Atletico de Madrid enso a very strong game of year. We bought 17 matches of year. We win 13. We draw 3 and we lose 1. But the question me be say the city of San Sebastian for no, Basque country no. Real Sociedad almost supporters no why no mo person G League no. Atletico de Madrid should be very careful. And none other than a chairman. Me can of fear say ayete say ka ketwa onu ni di animu na ka akesifo mienu di nachi Diego Ekorok Simoni e was so very focused e was so onya ne concentration say ne be ya Real Sociedad MSN points say no one careful uni obi ni alliance oba ye system be aba be say points e won na aduru no when it comes to the latter part of the leagues na sa niam we na common enti chairman Emmanuel Iguasil on the boys no Swedish almost striker no Alexander Isak David Silva a man for real fear one and he is the registrar of French Sociedad Bobo Kuno
and I was Barcelona Kodasro Kabasa say and Kobeko Sro I could lead you with 1 point
exactly
now go ahead say Sociedad bit just say let's go points
a point sir
but they say Barcelona went to go baby
Derby
Real Madrid and so almost there's some the difference between but Real Madrid still have a realistic chance of going to the top say Atletico Madrid lose here now Real Madrid win here Real will go on top of the table it's interesting but
draw draw crano Madrid beko because our advantage when it comes to head
okay yes that's true Atletico will need to win this game
exactly.
But Atletico be tiabo draw Madrid TV. Only Madrid for no. Omni Barcelona nyina enkoyi. Chesoju omo won tiase.
Chairman, ahanu na make say ayonkofa ne bam no. Say we win Real Madrid.
Because Madrid on Granada na ebo.
Omo panyini ya wan. Real Madrid.
Ah, if you do press.
Unim do otimi ye.
Oh, otimi ye wu. What to son man ye wu dodo. Onye onu an e pompanyi ombo. Na say ma do na mbo ya bobo tutu. Mo ne Sevilla.
No mo ne Sevilla na yonko fa be na do mo ne Sevilla ante.
Na ne den kwa na mo ma if you do press na e na on na wo na onye wu.
Chairman,
I don't know, alleged agent.
Chairman, example na me ye ni ti o. Chairman, me say me madam for ne na andi nya madam for a. E kom dem ya wan na me ba ne nchen. Se wo was ka e chese me ho atomi. Enti se Granada e kono otimi ko se Barcelona points a. Enu ni define Granada mu position. Levante ese Barcelona points a. Enu ni define Levante mu positioning. Enti wo china why na Real Madrid able. And then one any Atletico de Madrid able. Say na damfo no a chairman forget omo be che no.
Okay, first yo. Na yamrafie. Every seven no so ano ohio. Ade bia kozu obechem. Sa munim sa Brighton Taylor. Bechem any Hearts of Oak, but dynamics of that game. Hearts of Oak enra chi no be twam go bechem kwa. Omo ko jaw ko Monday no.
Omo ko Monday.
And no ye training. Ewo efense bro have bottom ho. And no mo si akan no. Na nra na dwade bia koso obechem park no so. Well,
exclusive.
Because baby, I got to tell you, just video
exclusive.
And run a joke. Conforbi. I got see ja. I will park net you on in Jamono. And all country say, Hearts of Folk dear.
Yes.
And not the on between live on Facebook. I try video no. Try. Conforna the our coin and ra and a joke. And I did the slow mo. And I was see Jano no all common all country. Some Hearts of Folk Meshomo. That game will be live on Star Times today and the show Obia making a date non game be. Oh I'm on new how I know it's Star Times.
It's the live commentary.
Yes, the live commentary of that game and so but Adanse Bona will be live. On more day commentary and so Edebe Bray. Now this is the video. Me video no. Me video na enti asema papa yi okay so ye radio no yes we hu confort na all come
kai bon mali confort kai na san wa me
you go na me soccer House of Folk now waka kai somebody
Pure FM
what you are go to Olympics waka temna ayi I'm meeting you what can you mali waka want to atuma fa share House of Accra Olympics the champion at Palma boom me when say saka me ya arda the champion United next year Accra House of Yimu kai
that's all can
Mali confort.
It's French no can now Mali confort. Because Accra Olympics near you now move. When you summon tia. And then also is that
Dalman waka. I mean,
that's it.
Mali, ni bechimka. Roma mam tumda baraka. When I'm saying saka, bego ha. Now you know what tinkanga now you know baraka. I'm here. Tomorrow I'm in Tumda.
This is the way they are French. The Casa Ben, they will Casa from. Now, anyway.
Hotina mwalimu
95.7.
Accra House of Folk now live.
Three were had one. Kodu, okay.
The house goes now.
Okay, T40. Well, of course, you say emotional language. How do Hali do? And I send it, or say he speaks Wangara or Mandinga language. And I say Jalil, good boy. Or also no, this isn't a Mali language. Well, you must say, okay, you must see me. Befi, Yabateka, Kogula, Bimunya. It's just 3 goals.
They said they will see ye.
Now, when you never front to you, I have for no more yes, I don't know. The general mission was as I say. The park in the chino no is out there.
Presby, sorry, down.
Presby, sorry down.
Presby, sorry down.
No, she type.
School, no. It's a Presbyterian premises.
Well, it's in there. It's only 3 p.m. Don't miss it. Yeah, the live commentary, bro. You also be live on Star Times. You can watch it. Hearts of Oak and a play as guests to Bechem United, the host. Now, game no Padagotri and a referee game, you know, to be assisted by Isaac Asante and Prosper Avinu. Okay, Martin is a referee, no, for 11 weeks. 11 weeks.
11 weeks.
You're a referee for 11 weeks.
And you say, club owners in the Triacamon. Said
11 weeks. And a referee for say, Oman a preference, Oman Pomsica on the Faka, Noma could do no maba, Oma Sika, Noma Sako, Noma Ba, Oma Sika.
And over, say, baby, a referee be the match, be free out, could be chima. Not just also drew on ra, a baby da. Wabra, on one of the hotel. On one, the wedding card, you cry, you try. Chama was some bonapo.
Mesa na ma
mutuaka
mo adwuma mo dia mo so mo nyemu nti omoka na omo ye
chama is me say fines na omo ye omo de ma coaches ne players ni bi no ene class no I say you season on bu ha kontamaye obi ka say referee na o say kwaje penalty no anya ama me ane a fine no ni nyina no omo fa list no mbra
congress
no omo bu akonta ni emu di scan ye
congress
because as sika we kra mo ti be tia referees ne ka se sika ni wa ye di tu omo ka mprempre ya mo betimi de fines ni ade kra no etwe weeks
Nana Jima say Malam was confused and I say do this for the Black Stars to win the FIFA World Cup. If you have any power, I agree with you.
Say be a mum fan adwuma. Say ne o me friend na. Say be a bichim fan me friend.
Now nya Ghana so o te Ghana hande. Ghana je.
Ya say o pusu nunu ma na atu kan kan chama.
Yes me ya ma Ghana aje. Itimi ye wia. Say go wia kan ni be ko no kwa go timi. Onya me he. Okay 1974 ana. 74 World Cup na Zion for
the first time I'm call
70 Jujumen
from Sub-Sahara Africa.
I'm the 70 Jujumen. On first match, I'm 70.
Yeah, bomb papa.
Jujumen 10 be one go. 10 be a combo one go. Peru for hosting
West Germany,
Copa America. Peru for hosting Copa America. I'm inviting 90 witch doctors. Every good park and so park on board. Peru be
yes.
On first match, Venezuela crash up.
Now, if you go for an so omo made in World Cup in 2006 so I'm so share that enya ema ayo omo ye wonro bia we soup so ya we hwan CS ahodo nyina be kabom eye de ombetimi bia de boa oman Togo so oman timi am free group stage emza Ghana nkwane the only African team a ye kwa ye nima Brazil for ye free
okay and the game so no Abrante Vera Hafiz Wonta Konkoni striker for Bechem Fifi Veron play open asempa Hafiz Konkoni wakaza so mo captain Morris Salifu oni hono ebe ha mo but still game no there omo prepared for it
so
for making us all of the players. I think they are all fit now. It's only Moro that had 2 lookers against Karela, but I think the atmosphere in camp here is great. Everyone is excited because playing has to folk. It comes with a lot of joy, and so I think the motivation, all those things in camp is high, and we are going to win this match. It will worry us a lot because he's an instrumental. Coming this season, he's very fantastic, and everybody can testify to that. So I think we'll be missing him. But as far as we have registered more than 30 players there's someone that can also replace him. Maybe if the person cannot put up the level that Moro was able to give us his best, but I think the person too can do something for the club.
Okay, I know I have a Slokoni, but Okani it was as fans no more, Bechem fans, and then no more anymore. Are you winning this game?
Yes, we expect nothing but victory because we went away and we couldn't pick the maximum points and coming to play home against Asofo. So I think it's a revenge. They should try and come in their numbers to support us, and we will also disappoint them. We will make them happy at the end of the game. Because since the squad is always, I always contemplate for his match. It was a heavy lose.
95.7.
We have never lost to any of the big clubs like that, so it was a disgrace. So these games, they are sure it's a revenge.
Well, revenge and in the minds of Bechem players, and they are looking at it from this angle. Say how the fuck show in Sia, almost 6, and I don't know your record.
Yeah, and before
Before how to vote in the Bechem
no
Bechem at the top of the table.
He has a show Munana.
And I have show Munsia.
And Emmanuel Asante D red card.
Almost everything names about Juma and Brena. Oh yeah,
I say 60 or more good Bechem and
okay. It's young coach Samobodu and like so some more approaching how to vote approaching game with a different mentality.
Juma grounds no. I believe say Nkolano Esua and Omunya Yenyansu and it's mistakes be correct, but the way forward and say Enema bitimi assistant ama Yesu etimi afa yentuma paifra. Our match na yekono, we are going to approach that game with different mentality, and I believe say we are going to take points from there.
And your coach Samobodu was say Nyoma Ochankra no Omunsu nwie Oche place no Omunsu ni nyina nwie eno nti ena mistakes bar na omo correct and yeah you well kasa they say musi kasa what if you send them me who's a baju ozo send it them me thanks so much brothers na yen koso ne emfa mbra okay we King Mohammed Yawotu Surogo I was yes musi language papa no kasa na okano confuse na all come no o se mali confo no aha ono ne kasa na sie musi enso ehonum well ye ba be hwe mema bi white ma hwe match eba so enne no emu ede amaye matches no Lagos City so no Liberty Professionals enso ewa Accra Stadium Julian no di game no Medical Kabechemni Heartful game no 11 wonders in Allies the battle for relegation is up, and this is going to be a huge one. It is 11 wonders are looking to escape relegation. Inter license, so it looks like almost over some no escaping. Thierry how it be siako. Ebasu Bechem, Eso Do Morrison, and na Ebabidi Sagimwe, and so Ehonum. Na Ebabe who they sa match no, and so Emu Brekum Chelsea and Ashanti goal. Obaka Ashanti goal Nansen and no moko. And I say almost preso, we can call a hash. No more preso, so almost coach Thomas Dia already, almost your peno. But me say the Kokwaba form, and before you know, Tommy and a handle team, it's almost Ebesia Kai and so El Honum, El Golden City Park, El Brigum, Latif Adari, and so and a AD game, and so El Honum. Now, some cow who referee is it Daniel Lai and the Tro the Digu. And Jesse Achi na referees just or Chogo Chanoye a bishop suggest say yen starting yebi so that instead of players to create a certain kind of friendship and a bond between players and officials also they come from FIFA over about FIFA and I say but only they say din go achi o to be friend so Revilai maybe I say and I say on initiative on one year I'm sure that if I'm going forward they also a proposal to the FA no and pictures of this in the BYT and they will be already live on Facebook that lie is so in FIFA and now why now air plaster on the tower phone are they to be sticky because
I said and the mark gadget national so there be a
now bro we dey
chairman say only
Obi
ni kroma semti
and I think say good very good is a referee for say decision omo change universal soldier
gadget speed
na there no omo use any
spray
them spray no but spray there na won tem no you know on say na bomb shoulder no and yes referee for na you know
me na say wa signal say won hwe wa page flag
is here there no
I say vibrating on can say best statistics no
gadgets ni na buy okay me for that news from Rana BYT Enra matches nim and so Asante Kodoko players Abbas Mohammed Ayiku Tete Ivan Sousu and players Kelvin Martinando Matthew okay Kelvin Martinando na Kelvin Ando ne friend no the Matthew ne Martin ne bema but say also be anyo na full name na bia Bright Taylor boy say Bright Taylor no bia fro Kelvin Ando Ivan Sousu Stephen Ayiku Tete and Abbas Mohammed obekaya the status committee of the Ghana Football Association really more say Kotoko interest can be more and Kotoko de ko appeal no so appeal ball Kotoko asem ni gu ye the appeal yema Kotoko ne say sa transfer ban no and I say registration ban e di ma omo no and omo left here name of Scandie omo so uphold the earlier decision discipline committee in the Babontin it got to place na kasombe 3 installment payments and at the moment report that is the first one no omo tua e di ama players no it no so some good news for the players coach CK Akono and then Obanemi squad for friendlies tie ya about friendlies mienu enu na nke ebe no tour no eko European tour no Mrs. Magata zom say dance eskarombedi
ye ko tour na ko about 2 friendly matches
dance eskarombedi
na be den say as am Ghana me
eti joma ko ni say okay ye ko tour no kra ye go friendly matches mienu wa no ne eti na che say eventually is the tour yes about $700,000 and my budget for this eti no AF no de eba na de metete no siki onye careful omo so manage siki no so mo mani nyadin because metete say Ghana assistant coach assistant coach David Duncan good David Duncan what happened for being a scout say on scout de metete on scouting because I'm scouting scouting we bad we coach so scouting
2005 Gambia say under 17
David Duncan you overqualified to even coach the Black Stars
coach our coach
obetimi coach Black Stars easily
yes
but
coach
assistant no the thing say there are plans to bring in a white assistant white more bit racist
a
foreign assistant coach but an expatriate coach I mean an expatriate coach here basically the same thing number assistant coach CK Akono tebe pindo
nani beti no ko
exactly na the yet no enye na iguso ya train 36 players and on be name 36 players. Now, post just initially not come Morocco, but I think Escofoni is Morocco near Yados under 20 in Morocco, Mandet Morocco, Ubiani Morocco. It's Esane Yados, but Morocco knows that cause your bono. But if we come in Nimba, New Bani, team, your team no say a BB or so on Ziyech
Hakim
Ziyech now, but Chelsea told you to go. Oh no. And you was some pool. Any another Asian team. but they said challenge omunya kakra no COVID no it's not that to traveling bebre no or maybe I'll one destination coming back a different but so free no COVID no say you krobo ufri baby could do also 10-day mandatory quarantine eti ando nyina mo consider no more ahwe no maye o man panyi every day me ho the promise or year to under 20 no and we have videos that be go any pictures no they say you are present to play be $5,000 and I promise you homo
so or promise 10,000 5,000 call Glaco omo Ghana insurance
5,000 investment at the moment and a $5,000
and the money na mo busia for but I think say no so here down for 10 years nti say enu 10 years no 20 and is when you are 30 years
yes
na just say football career na be we ya na sa ti obetimi e de sa $5,000 na wo account mu no and so after 10 years you betimi akọ withdraw now so wetimi dey a good idea make us buy the buyer ebeboa yi pa ebi anka e ma 91 for ne ye ka se ye bi sa momu ana
ye bia
so ebe si na ye hu die
kosi na chi akwa ye twa
eno so ye no
oba be
kana so ba be kom de no na ye mpese bi be se si
na afi ye go piska dia momu na oni wade bia ye si asante ko onu se okay there minka Ibrahim Osman stand the contract for 2 years on say Felix Anane Kwamba say virtually omo nyina coach Amomati say Abalora is number one but omienu no we try bench 3 matches now we are try bench 3 matches them say omo bufa so kakanti omo frɛ Kwamba je no ngan say dey omo kai say 3 atra and on man ko don frɛ Felix late say ono so emra eti eno kotoko game ni nyame ado machina ena eno eba sunti o de ye frɛ no nsuo na ye ba daka nyina
asane FA Cup be de dey amumienu ba ko so benya bia
ba ko benya bia
chairman omo ye collapse no based on merit and ase den
kotoko de
goalkeepers in the
there is some of them omienu nyina ye good
okay
good but enye so ma ba ko kwatra bench it's anyway ba but me concern kakra kotoko accreditation some dem ma about to know room
I know the
na say we can no accreditation
started
o go FIFA tournament o go World Cup
time abe wura mu no
World Cup o go World Cup o go Champions League one gra time
o kwa na e bo second half gra e bia sa time no na
obi o your journalist
side you no kra
your journalist bi o game no cost no outside
ana make no eno no
maybe half time no ba me na go sika money huna ni media ticket ye ko muntem ne ko pe bi try ye trapa ya opening ceremony South Africa 2010 ya opening ceremony ye ya help ai Mexico ni South Africa ya first half ye ya ti wa na we buy obviously me abda kwani ba no who is in seat to so ono kaka chere ifo number no media ticket when am so mini of the batch ne dimechi there's a sorry person I got sick to on kana ntu o say da won ne kwan o say da mu nam no o say also there also sorry bra that na second half e ti mesre eno de me pa ko company voucher say we de mesra o mada e bia ko mo kanu mpo say by the start of the game but two there are a lot of things they intelling in the journalist work
anya kotokonko
yes as gold so
class ni nyina omo ma no ma catch us
by 2
also wo
eno one go got that
nti 2 no afekura na on say usu tu kwan yo also pay bibi di kakra wadu kromansa na wakona yesa wodo yam kom nyina akotena park ni so nti
there's some just some ready earlier say the teams no bad
because on betu but ade ba ko so ni say on say ka say 25% of a stadium capacity nti omu hu ni say by 2 no no ma reach sa percentage no nti wa amantama nti no so ebeboa ma ebia wo so be keka ho ntama ba nti ebia no so
Kinzoro loto e de bo kwa be chia parking yanhwe big team hearts of folk and your game for today ye de be awie ye de be tifo
chairman hearts of folk ni be chim no ade a emu be din for Accra so folk this
no go say James says no
there be say no ya Accra on say this season Hearts on the road only 2 wins say ye league table a ye de away ena eye league table a akachama baby a house of folk da no enya ade a even those who are winning 2 match and Kotoko Olympics nkwa na clubs are winning 5 games were away we Kotoko no Olympics a do why winning kese cry 3 matches but across of folk more away any has a nim no ne pedigree no away matches a anka has in a year previous years no nanka one yard ya draw 3 points in the house the but this time around no has kwa away a na akoboduam enti enhyada mwa ana ahwe bechem so a olusu wa home bechem United this season clubs on lusu ofi omiamiensa media mark eye baako ana eye bechem United so eka ho ana Aduana Stars only 3 clubs ana efie obi antimi nkwose no na wafa eka ho ana omoma Olympics kwose omo just week ya etwamu enti se bechem United bo home na say we a team now ba why are there a point and echo and since I became crab Ghana League no became has to focus on the that was almost second season after some mobile league mu record 2011-12 now Pito Forukwe mu and Reginald Asante is a coach and akwasi adu bebrebe mu ekosi aka ma omo no omo call 2011-12 no and kwan has go goalless draw second round first round no and omo saba league mu in 2013-14 no and a Patrico Thomas Abe and the page abo bisa ya board say match Saturday that was 5th October 2013 and has nya that victory no on go from Patrico and has the best in the since that time no has a Kobe Chembia why are the draw on car bed no go take a hat trick no our body tea across of folk has a choir I bet no go take him kwa ebo 3 goals 8 year across of folk e was sa match I no so call so and anyama nkoye mfa ma across of folk e wo bechem since 2013-14 now omo by 2015 has a choir no omo kwaje 1-0 first half ball to atenam no has Aminu Mohammed na say former Kotoko Kimfesa RTU as good player Aminu and say that go 2016-17 omo kwaje 3-0 and 2016 na 2017 omo kwaje so Ameture say the only goal it was a penalty na me wo etia across of so as Breze obese Bechem United e wo Bechem Park so this time around now House of Folk ese wura no Bechem nya parka teams bia ba ho e ba be sheko omo timi bo be 3 seasons na only a year 3 occasions and e bia omo lose ofie so e try say Bechem Park no ni bre na omo de bo omo league matches no e wo suru pa senka ye start Ghana League wa bra Bechem eba league mu 2011-12 and come commence league no Bechem a kanya ne so omo recall first year no ezan say omo be starting no Kumase omo first match was against Adubiase and then man obafo from Temayu to Adubiase o di go kino ebe se omo na Kotoko sa to aso share omo ho enti ma Kotoko kranya home and away victory so omo first league game was against Aduana and ye dey call Bechem and omo to aso omo started say omo share against Mediamanom ne other clubs are baba be shi omo ewo but start na nkoye amfama Bechem United no and omo free league in 2011-2012 enti Bechem team a efie de ne ho oje pa has a bread to beat them Kotoko na etima cover 2 wins e dey free grounds wo enya sa club bia no a all kwa on 2-3 occasions wa kwa she Bechem United e wo Bechem ti e match a wo phobia fana mampa ibomnya de pa say has ebetimi akwa pick point no especially this season has enya de wa we and Techima 11 Wonders chairman we a match also omutimi e de kire se omo bo league no next season yeyi ezan say Interlice wa wi oba Interlice wi yo eni bre na Interlice de kono say Interlice ko nya win e wo Bechem Techima na emwa emma 11 Wonders enka league nim nemo e be boa Interlice mum say o say ko bo home match wadaw oyire no kakra bi no onya 3 maximum points na obe catch up other clubs no a mo dan anim no enti points gap no na first no na e wide by sisi am no ka say ye close eba ama Interlice enso so ohwa ne modern a oboba King Faisal Lagos City Liberty Brekum Chelsea 11 Wonders mienu betimi abetom ama asam etimi abanti sa match no so mani wo mpa ye nyina ye hwese Techima beka league ni mu a o se otiminya sa 3 maximum points no enso e wo ba King Faisal de chairman ya Mompire nneɛma ɛgye agu ano sa ɛsɛ unhu deɛ kɔ ɛwɔ Kemfaisa team nim
Kemfaisa weekend ni midweek ɔmo ne ho ana esi aka no
Kemfaisa ne Dreams FC wɔ daw yes and America no easy for Kemfaisa say Dreams FC so say wo top 6 ni mu a ɔba o say Dreams
interesting Kemfaisa 23 points Legon City is 23 points Liberty or 25. Legon City is Liberty and that's a good one. In fact, see how for bomb and 11-1 is still in Tarlice. 11-1 is 26. They look about 3 points and 70. 11-1 that's in the relegation zone. Now, so 11-1 the start they go on 29. Which I have a bomb, but that's in some mission and also yes. Legon City is so on a Liberty game, no, and also I know because Legon City is L23, Liberty 25.
Yes.
So Legon City is sharp. Or have a topo Liberty
with the point.
With the point. Liberty Shah, he looks like Tino and every relegation. A bit dicey, but Kemfaisa situation here very.
Yes, Kemfaisa at the end I say Obo home near man farmer Obo draw and what they call away. And away game no so okono so ye daw. Dreams says susua na ni abrenansia na house kwaji ne de. Ah no so hwe anim say top 4 no anya we kura no betimi ayede awuram. Amana tima yeye nti e match emu be de pa and what is Liberty area obia wa wadi football achieve from 99 ebe bia no ebe kai niam Liberty ayaboa ya under 17 under 20 23 and the Black Stars so omo edi players akukudam edi aba talk of Matthew Amoa and Sule Muntari Kwadwa Asamoah Jan Kote Blanson goalkeepers awodo a no amu nyina no Ewuram international team Daniel Ajay odi ana 20 ekwaje World Cup anu na dam de Ghana edru brebi kwa no ye kɔ 2010 World Cup no oka team na ye de wuram enso so ho ana niam ekoye de ma no enti Liberty enye team a obi abepese obefiri league nim because edrum na bi na Liberty je top 4 no wuram no oje top 4 no okɔ Africa enso so boa ama Ghana yenso so football no wo showcase no Africa say enti say Liberty enso so anyere no na Legon City and Legon City so don't forget say we former champions waje Ghana league da abra na the junior Wow Stars enti eno na ma ase omo character ni bibia obi etie no oti Legon City no onim say enye hwe okwa enye hwe ba Legon City no ona na Wow Stars
obi ade okwa enye hwe ana
obi akwa enye hwe obi akwa enye hwe pa
Kemfaisa ade okwa
enye chairman unse even foreign league say ye ball league no na oti say team bi we en hawo say wo si en ho ahon we en hawo kra ba si oti say Saka 04 be kon unse ye ni amubi aka say Saka we oti say Fiorentina we anase Lazio bi area
na say Hamburg we ya ozo mo saba
ba ye we teams bi a o ma ye yo club or recover sa anti nye news unse o we a nya de a e hard ne
okay ya ba wi adalen po na ma ya hwe league matches ni mu yi ba yenka obi ase Holland Insurance